Hello, I'm Khushbu. The question is, if x is increased by 10, 20, 30 and so on up to 100% respectively, by what percent should we reduce it each time to restore it to its original value? We know that if a variable x undergoes a change of a% and b% successively, then net change is given as a plus b plus ab by 100%. In the question, it has been given that the original value is restored, that is, net change is equal to 0. First of all, we try to form a generalized equation where we take the increase as n% and the required percentage reduction as x%. Substituting the values in the equation, we get a as n, b as minus x. So, net change, which is equal to 0, is equal to n minus x minus n into x by 100. That will be equal to n minus x into 1 plus n by 100. This implies that n is equal to x into 1 plus n by 100, or x is equal to n into 100 by 100 plus n. Substituting the values of n as 10, 20, 30 and so on and tabulating the results, we get x as 9.09%, 16.67%, 23.08%, 28.57%, 33.33, 37.5, 41.18, 44.44, 47.37 and 50. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I'm Khushbu. The question is, if x is decreased by 10, 20, 30 and so on up to 100% respectively, by what percent should we increase it each time to restore it to its original value? We know that if a variable x undergoes a change of a% and b% successively, then net change is given by a plus b plus ab by 100%. In the question, it has been given that the original value is restored. This implies that net change will be 0. Also, generalizing the equation, we get a as minus n% because first the x is being decreased and b as x%, that is the required percentage increment. So the equation will be minus n plus x minus nx by 100 equal to 0, or minus n plus x into 1 minus n by 100 equal to 0, which implies x into 100 minus n by 100 equals n, or x is equal to n into 100 by 100 minus n. Substituting the values of n as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90, we can evaluate the values of x, which come out to be 11.11, 25, 42.86, 66.67, 100, 150, 233.33, 400 and 900. This is the required solution. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Khushbu. The question is, if in an institute the number of students doubles in 4 years, the CAGR will be.
We know that CAGR is given by final value by original value whole to the power of 1 by n minus 1, where n represents the time taken. In this case, if original value is p, the final value will be 2p. We get CAGR as 2p by p to the power of 1 by 4 minus 1 into 100, that will be 4th root of 2 minus 1 into 100, which comes out to be 18.92%, and hence the correct answer will be option number 2. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Khushbu. The question is, if A is 37.5% more than B, by what percent is B less than A?
We know that if A is x% more than B, then B is x upon 100 plus x into 100% less than A. Therefore, B will be 37.5 into 100 by 100 plus 37.5% less than A, that will be equal to 75 by 27.5 into 100, which is further equal to 15 by 5.5 into 100, which gives 27.27%. This is the required solution. Thank you.